Yesterday, a student of mine, Carrie, came to visit after her graduation from college. We had lunch, then we walked around and chatted. One of the points that she brought up that I forgot was that I once told her, even if you gather all the conditions that you could, something that you wanted to do might still not happen. And I told her I totally forgot about the point. That is a very good point, not because it was made from me, and it wasn't a point that started by me anyway. It is basically a core belief of Buddhism, which is for anything to happen, all the conditions have to be there. That means even if we accumulate all the conditions, if there are other conditions that needed for that task to be completed are missing, it would still be not accomplished. So then this morning I told Carrie that I thought about that point more, and then said to her that even the thing that we set ourselves out to try to accomplish didn't get done, the effort will not be wasted, because other people could pick up on that and continue the task, or they could be inspired from our effort and they turn it to other directions or other endeavors. So anything that we try will not be wasted.